Spring is here, and today I stopped by Home Depot at 44th Street in Thomas to see what they have and if they have any deals. Right away, you can see they have a pretty good selection of plants. Overall, it's what you'd expect this time of year. A lot of color, a lot of volume, and plenty of plants people usually go for. And I like that they're starting to show more consistently the price of the plants. Most of the prices are pretty standard, but every now and then you find something that actually feels like a decent deal. It really just depends on what you're looking for. If you like videos like this about plants, go ahead and subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments. I've got a lot more coming. This bird of paradise was huge, and for $149 I thought it was a great deal. In the big box stores, you'll see a lot of the usual favorites. Plants people buy all the time because they're easy and they look good right away. And honestly, that's part of the appeal with places like this. It's convenient, and you can walk out with something nice pretty quickly. But at the same time, not everything here is perfect. Some plants look great. Others look like they've been sitting here a little too long. I was told this store had a pretty good rating, and you can see why. Overall, for being so busy, it was a great store to stop by and see what they had today. And if you're wondering if I bought something, stick around to see what I got. It's something you don't see every day. This is a dwarf banana tree. I have one that I bought when it was 2 feet tall, and now it's about 6 feet tall. They're fast growing, they like plenty of water, and they need to have the right conditions, the right amount of sun, the right amount of shade. They'll do very well. When it comes to these indoor plants, sometimes the stores just get mixed shipments, and every now and then something different shows up. Half the time it's not even labeled right. You just have to catch it. And this is something you don't see every day. Instead of having a clearance section, a lot of these just get thrown out, which makes you wonder how many plants never get a second chance. And these are the plants I'm taking home with me. Philodendron variegated Jose Bueno. They're not in the best of shape, most likely because how they were stored. But over time, they're going to be beautiful. Final thoughts. This Home Depot has a very nice plant department, and the indoor plants are excellent. It surprised me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.